Facebook plunges into home repair matchmaking service. Facebook is the latest technology company that wants to connect you with a handyman who can install a ceiling fan or fix a leaky toilet. Following the Amazon.com, Google and a slew of startups seeking ways to make money from the $300 billion home improvement market. The social networking site is joining with Seattle startup Pro.com, which will help a Facebook Messenger user find a qualified contractor, get an instant quote and schedule an appointment within minutes on home projects, from mounting a big screen television to painting the room. Pro.com, which operates in more than 5,500 U.S. cities, also unveiled on Wednesday a similar text messaging service separate from Facebook. The arrangement shows how Facebook is trying to attract and keep new users by expanding its messaging app for communication between businesses and customers. Messenger, which boasts 700 million monthly users, is also used by e-commerce sites Zulily, Everlane and Fancy. More than 90% of the social network's $12.5 billion roughly Rs. 81,286 crores in annual revenue last year was generated by advertising. Facebook won't make any money off the Pro.com arrangement initially. However, the company is mimicking Tencent Holdings' WeChat, which combines a smartphone instant messenger and digital wallet that can be used for e-commerce. Facebook in March announced it would let users make debit card payments to one another through Messenger. The social network's partnership is also the latest example of the technology rush into the home improvements market, seen as the next frontier in the on-demand economy that gave rise to ride-hailing service Uber Technologies and room booking service Airbnb. The bar keeps rising on what customers expect in terms of convenience, trust and immediacy, said Matt Williams, founder and chief executive officer of Pro.com. That's where this is headed, being able to get anything you need through your mobile phone. Home improvement spending will hit $318 billion, roughly Rs. 938 crores in 2015, an increase of 4.4% from the previous year, according to the Home Improvement Research Institute in Tampa, Florida. More than one-third of contractors subscribe to technology-based lead generation services such as HomeAdvisor.com, up from just 15% 2 years ago, said Pam Heidel, managing director of the institute. Homeowners are more tech-savvy and they do their research online, she said. These services get them connected. Venture capitalists are backing technology companies that aim to bring transparent pricing to home improvements and reduce the risk of hiring a contractor. The new services take commissions on each job, challenging the business model of Angie's List Incorporated, which charges consumers for access to reviews and also sells advertising. Pro.com's investors include Silicon Valley firm Andreessen Horowitz and Seattle's Madrona Venture Group. Porch.com, a Seattle home improvement startup that is partnering with Lowe's Cost, has raised about $100 million, roughly Rs. 650 crores in the past 2 years, including a January round led by Allard Equity Partners in Chicago. San Francisco startup Thumbtack Incorporated, which allows users to book a variety of services including home improvement, has raised more than $200 million, roughly Rs. 1,300 crores from such investors as Google Capital and Sequoia Capital.